Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the product of the zeros of the polynomial minus q square minus 7q minus 12. Now we know from relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by leading coefficient. So here constant term is minus 12, leading coefficient is minus 1. So answer is 12. Therefore we get product of zeros as 12. So answer is option D.